Hi, today I'm in front of Infinix Zero Ultra and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google option on this device. So first we should launch Google application and then click on the right upper corner. After that, tap to the settings and tap to voice section. Then click to voice match, and to activate Hey Google option we should click once on the switcher, tap to next, read the description, click yes I agree, tap to continue. And now Hey Google option is activated, but now we should add our voice model. So click here to retain voice model and say, okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, reminds me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Then tap to the finish. And now one will say OK Google or Hey Google, we can see that this option successfully activated. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.